Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. In case you are new here to my channel, welcome. I do invite you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button down below and also turning on post notifications. That's the little bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that you never have to miss a single video. I do try to get my Boxycharm videos up as soon as I get my box. Per usual, I'm going to go ahead and name off of everything that's in this month's box, and then afterwards I'm going to do a try on. After I try on the makeup, I'm going to share my thoughts on what I thought of each product, so make sure that you stay around for that. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and see what we have in September's box.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
We're going to start off with the Pretty Vulgar Nightgale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. That's this one right here. This palette is made up of why did I say toilet? This palette is made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightgale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxurious smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. This retails for $35. I'm like trying to open it like this. It's not working. This is what it looks on the front. On the back it says embrace your beautiful contradictions. And then it opens up. The next product that we received is this Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigment are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. This retails for $28. Moving on, we received these Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. This is made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat, tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. These retail for $18 in this set. The next product that we received is a full-size Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. The one that I received is in Deep Burgundy. This creamy, lightweight, and long-lasting pro formula coats the lips in bold color that dries down to a comfortable matte finish. The pointed applicator delivers precise, full coverage that lasts without bleeding or transferring. This formula is infused with antioxidants and vitamins that your lips will love. This retails for $19. And last but not least, we received the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. And that's what this one looks like. This creates precise, ultra-fine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. Damn, these words are getting hard. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a Shut the fuck up, Cody. Created with longevity complex, this product, I said it right this time, but I forgot the rest of it. Okay. Created with longevity complex, this quick drying smudge proof formula is guaranteed to last. This retails for $19. So weird. I don't know how I'm gonna use this, but I'm definitely gonna try this out. It's super different. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you. I'm not gonna do a talk through. I'm gonna do a really quick clip of me trying on these products, and then I'll get right back to you guys and share my thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on each and every single one of the products that we received in this September box. I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette, as this is the first one that I used. I had no trouble in blending any of the eyeshadows. I really like it. And this is definitely a nighttime palette, so whenever you're gonna go out for a girls' night, whatever the case might be, this is a perfect palette for any nighttime look. The next items that I used are the brushes, and these brushes were definitely easy to use. And I would compare these to the Wet n Wild brushes or BH Cosmetics brushes. They don't feel that high end, but I definitely could work with these, and you get 3 of them in this box for $18. That's almost the price that you're paying for the whole box, so definitely like those as well. The third item that I used to achieve this look is this eyeliner that we received in this box. This is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. So I did show you guys earlier, the wand on this is so weird. It's like a pizza roller, so that's how that looks. Honestly, this was difficult to work with, and I don't see myself reaching for this very often. And this doesn't dry down to a matte finish like I like my eyeliners. It's a really shiny liner, so I wasn't a big fan of this, but I'm gonna keep playing with it and trying to make it work. The fourth item that I used is this Baked Blush by Laura Geller, and I love Laura Geller blushes, but I'm not a fan of shimmer blushes. I basically like everything matte. I don't know why. I just don't like looking too shiny unless it's on my highlighter or my lids, whatever the case might be. But this, let me show you a close-up. This does have a lot of shimmer. I don't think you can catch that on camera, but it has shimmer to it. I'll definitely be using that, but without highlighter, because right now I'm looking a little bit too shiny, too cray-cray. Last but not least is this Lorac liquid lipstick, and to be honest, you guys, this is a really pretty color and all, but when I opened it, a bunch of oil leaked out of here, and it's just really messy. It might have been because of the mail carrier, it might have been in hot temperature or something. That was my thoughts on each and every single one of the products in September's box. I definitely did enjoy this month's box a lot better than last month's. I will be reaching out for this palette on a daily basis because with almost every eye look that I do, I always smoke out the lower lash line with like a dark eyeshadow, and this is a really, really good, highly pigmented black eyeshadow. I could have made my eye look a lot darker, but I just wanted to add some shimmer to the center. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Are you excited about this box? What is the product that you're looking forward to the most? If you are new to Boxycharm or you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box that you get 5 to 6 full-size products, and you get it for $21.99. That is such a steal because each and every single one of these products almost totals up to the box. So this entire package was a value of $119, and you get it for $21.99. So I think that's such a good deal. If you're trying to build up your makeup collection, this is definitely a good way to do so. You always get 5 to 6 full-size products. If you're not already subscribed to Boxycharm. If you're not already subscribed to Boxycharm, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down in the description box, and it'll direct you straight to it. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But before you leave, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.